the integral a, that means of double integration of the function 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1, y is varying from cube root of x to 2 and x is varying from 0 to 8. So sometimes what we feel that if we want to integrate from using the given order, then it may be difficult. So we have to change the order of integration to make our life simple. So for this case, if we want to integrate with respect to y, then it may be quite difficult to solve. So for that, if we interchange the order of the integration, then we can solve it maybe easily. So here we will try this only. So first of all, we have to find the region where the integration is happening of this function, then we will proceed. So first, for the region of the integration. So where the region is bounded by y equals to cube root of x and y equals to 2, then x is bounded by x equals to 0, x equals to 8. So first we have to draw the region, then we can proceed. Okay, y equals to cube root of x, that means you can write is a x equals to y cube also. First we will draw the figure. So as a double integration, so 2D is enough. So x axis and y axis is enough. So this is x axis, this is y. Okay, so what is this curve? Y equals cube root of x, or you can consider this as a this is nothing but x equals to y cube. Okay, so that means if we consider this is your y axis, this is your x axis. So accordingly, how y varies, how x varies, from this also we can draw the curve. From x axis also we can draw, but for simplicity, if you want to make it more simple, then if you change y and take the value accordingly where x is coming, so we will draw that. So if it is 0.5, then it will be 0.25. So it will be here. If 0.5, if it is y equals to x, it will be less than that. And for 1, it will be 1. For 2, it will be more than this, 8. So like that it will go. Okay? So y equals to 2. If we change the y value, x value accordingly will get. So you can plot it. Or by changing x also, we can plot the y values also. From here, like this, at 1, it is 1. At 8, it will be 2. At 16, it will be 27, it will be 3. So like that it will go. So that it is slowly increasing, not that much fast. Okay. So now this is y equals to, that means x equals to y cube. Now y equals to 2. Think this is 2. So intersection like this. So this is your y equals to 2. Now for x equals to 0, that means x equals to 0 means this line x equals to 0, y axis, then x equals to 8. X equals to 8, that means 2 intersecting here, so that means it will be 8 only. This is your x equals to 8. Okay, so this is the region bounded by this curve is, so this is like the bound by one side, this is another side, then this is one side. So you got the region. So this is your region. Where we are doing the integration. Okay. So for this, here they have choose the y limit first, then x limit. But we want to change the order of the integration. So first we will choose x, then we will go for y. So for that, if we choose the x limit first, so how x is varying, that we will check. So x is varying from this line to here. So how x is varying? So that means for this line x is 0. For this line x is y to the power cube. So you can write here also x equals to y cube. So x limit will be, so therefore you can write the integral. So by changing the order changing the order of the integration. We get a equals to, first we will choose the x is varying from 0 to y cube. Then, so after taking that x limit, we can project it onto y. So if we project it onto y is varying from 0 to this, 0 to ai. So this value is y equals to 2. So that means this point is 0, 2 and this point is 0, 0. So from 0 to 2. So y is varying from 0 to 2. Okay. So what is the function? The function is 1 by y to the power 4 plus 1. So now we change the order of the integration. So first we will do with respect to dx, then dy. Okay. Now we can solve it. So for that, what we can do? So in this term, no x is there. So it's constant with respect to, if we integrate with respect to x. So that means what we get? So here 0 to 2, y equals to 0 to 2, and this is constant. So dx means x will get, and limit is given as y cube 0 to y cube. So this will be remain same, and we will get x here. So after integrating, we will get y cube minus 0. That means y cube only. So now dy. So this we can solve easily. How we can solve this one? This is integration 0 to 2. This we can write as a derivative of this. So d of y to the power 4 plus 1. That means here 4 extra will come. You have to adjust it. So 1 by 4. For that I will do. And this is y to the power 4